Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Cash App sponsor limit reached issue. The first step is to open the Cash App. As you can see, we are on the home page of the app. Next, tap on the profile section of your account. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on your profile page where you will see these sections that point to different areas of your account. After that, scroll down and continue scrolling through the different options until you see this part of the page. Next, tap on this option here named Support. On this page, there are different sections or options that you can use to find solutions to your problems. From the options here, scroll down. After that, tap on this one named Something Else. You will be taken to this page that has these options. From the options that are appearing here, tap on this one named Cash App Pay. After that, you will land on this other page. The page has several sections. From the sections, the one we need is found at the bottom of the page. It is named Contact Us. Under the Contact Us option, there is another option named Chat. Tap on it. Finally, you will land on this page where Cash App informs us that you can chat on your own schedule and they will notify you of new messages and your history will always be available. So, we will send a feedback message to the Cash App support team. Tap on this text box here and type the following. Hi Cash App support team. I cannot add sponsors anymore. I get a message that I have reached the limit. This was not intentional. It was a mistake. I hope I will get help and the issue will be resolved. When you are done typing the message, send it and the Cash App support team will get it. Give them time and they will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix the Cash App sponsor limit reached issue.